Everyone, welcome back to our series on Pharma Master Data Management. I am RK, this is RK Koduru Vlogs. In our last video, we learned how to organize our data into domain entries like customer, product and R&D. But that just give us a filing cabinet. Now we will face the real problem. What happens when your CRM system says an HCP has a Dr. John Smith, your billing system says Smith J, and a vendor system says Dr. John S. All three different names from three different systems. Which one is a real? Which one is the right one? This is where the central gold of all MDM comes in. Today we are talking about the golden record. What is the golden record? You simply put, the golden record is the single consolidated authoritative version of a truth for a specific entity, whether it is a HCP, HCO, address, product, or the R&D data, whatever the data it may be. It is the one record for John Smith that your entire organization agree to use. It creates a careful process of collecting, cleaning, merging data for those different conflict systems. This is a single source of truth we are searching for. How is a golden record built? This golden record doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's built through a standard 5-step process. Think of like a data factory. So let's walk you through each steps. Step 1, data sourcing. First, sourcing. You have to collect all the raw data. Your MDM system connects to all the different sources. Your CRM system, your regulatory systems, your even data you buy from the third parties. The step 2, standardization. This is a data cleansing. The system normalize all different formats of Dr. John Smith and Smith J are both standardized to single format like John Smith MD. Addresses are standardized using postal rules. Bangalore and Bengaluru become one and the same. And the next step is matching. This is the smart part of a matching. The system uses algorithms to figure out which record are probably the same person, even if the text isn't identical. This is called fuzzy matching. It can see that Dr. John S at 123 MG Road is very likely the same address of a person as a John Smith at 123 Muhammad Gandhi Road. Next thing is survivorship. Okay, we have found some duplicates. But what if they have a conflicting data? Our CRM system says doctor specialty is oncology, but the vendor data says it's an oncologist. Which one wins? That's the survivorship. We define a business rule to decide. For example, we might say for the specialty, trust the CRM data first. If the CRM data is a blank, then trust the vendor data. This is the survivorship rule, or this rule survives the conflict. The final step is consolidation. Finally, the consolidation. MDM system takes all the winning data from the survivorship rules and merge it all into one brand new clean complete record. This is your golden record. Example, an HCP golden record. Let's make this 100% clear. Look at this. Here is a raw data from 3 different systems. It's a mess. The names and address and specialties are all different. Now we apply our 5-step process, and this is the results. One record, the name is standardized, the address is complete, the specialty is chosen based on our survivorship rules, CRM1, and the license number which match across all 3 systems is confirmed. This is the record that now get published back to all other systems, so everyone is looking at the same truth. Look at the tech, the Python code. Now for those of you interested in the tech, how does that fuzzy matching actually work? You don't need to be a programmer to get the idea. We just use a simple Python library called FuzzyWuzzy to compare 2 strings to get the similarity score. Look at the code. We're just comparing Dr. J S to John Smith and Dr. J Smith. The output shows the score. Dr. Jane S and Dr. John Smith get the score of 82. Pretty good, but Dr. John S and Dr. J Smith get a 90 score. That high score tells the MDM system there are very likely the same person, flag them as a match. It's a simple logic, scale up to millions of records. Why does this matter so much? So after all that work, why do we do it? What is the business payoff? There are 4 huge reasons for it. One is consistency. Every department, sales, marketing, finance, with the same data, no more arguments about which address is correct. Compliance. This is the critical in pharma. When you submit a data to regulatory bodies like FDA, EMA, it must be accurate. The golden record ensures this. And then efficacy. Think of a waste of time, or think of the wasted time. People arguing in email, manually fixing the duplicate data. The golden record eliminate this, save time, save money. And the insights. You can't trust your analytics if your data is a garbage in, garbage out. By using golden records, your reports, AI models are finally built on top of the foundation of truth, giving you insights you can really trust them. And finally, conclusion. So let's recap. The golden record is a single trusted master version of your data, built by sourcing, standardizing, matching, consulting data from all the different systems. It's the ultimate goal of MDM, the foundation of everything that comes next. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will talk about data governance and stewardship, the people and rules you need to protect the data quality of these golden records. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and be subscribed to RK Koduru vlogs so you don't miss the next one. And my question for you, in your experience, what's the hardest part of creating a golden record? Is the matching or getting a business tools to agree on the survivorship rules? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again and see you all in the next one.